Hello mga kamaniwise! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang Meralco, isa sa mga blue chip stocks na regular na nagbibigay ng dividends. Kasama rin ang Meralco sa aking signature dividend portfolio. At isa rin ito sa mga favorite stocks ko. Meralco ang pinakamalaking electric distribution company dito sa Philippines, serving around 8 million customers in 39 cities and 72 municipalities. Meralco has a market cap of 622 billion pesos. 3% lang ng Pilipinas ang sakop ng franchise area ng Meralco, but it accounts for 55% ng total output. Meralco is concentrated sa Metro Manila and nearby provinces where electricity demand is high. Napaka-strong ang economic moat ng Meralco. It operates as a regulated monopoly with exclusive rights to distribute electricity to its franchise area. Naka 121 years na ang Meralco in providing reliable energy. And recently, na-renew ang franchise ng Meralco. So, na-extend ulit ang franchise for another 25 years until 2050. So, ang tanda ko na niyan, malamang din ako nag invest sa time na yan. Meralco's operations are divided into two segments. Power is the core of Meralco's business, which includes electricity distribution, power generation through subsidiaries like MGen, and retail electricity supply. Other services include support activities such as engineering, construction, energy solutions, consulting, which support Meralco's core business. This is for educational purposes only at hindi ito financial advice. As always, do your own due diligence before investing. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang financial performance ng Meralco over the past 8 years. Consistently growing ang revenue and earnings. Nag-decline lang noong 2020 kasi affected din ng pandemic ang Meralco. Over the past 8 years, Meralco's revenue has steadily grown with a compound annual growth rate of 7.8%. And from 2023 to 2024, tumaas ng 6% ang revenue ng Meralco. Pero mas mataas ang earnings growth at 20% dahil tumaas ang net profit margin ng Meralco noong 2024 versus 2023. Here's the comparison of 2024 versus 2023. Consolidated revenues increased by 6%, driven by higher electricity volumes. The power segment contributed 97% of total revenues. On profitability per share, papataas ang earnings per share ng Meralco, except lang noong 2020 dahil sa pandemic, pero solid ang naging recovery starting 2021. From 33.74 pesos per share in 2023, nag-record high sa 40.69 ang earnings per share noong 2024. Over the past 8 years, Meralco achieved an impressive 11.5% compound annual growth rate. This indicates that Meralco is becoming more profitable over time, which is a positive sign for investors who are looking for stable and growing companies. For the past year, Meralco's EPS grew by 20.6%. Next metric is inflow of cash using operating cash flow. Another very important metric that we need to check. Maski na ang company ay profitable on paper, kailangan niya ang strong cash flow to sustain its operations, fund future growth, and pay dividends. Ang target ko sa operating cash flow ay dapat consistently positive. Meralco has consistently maintained positive operating cash flow over the past 8 years. Ibig sabihin, Meralco is generating strong and reliable cash from its core business operations. Sa efficiency, return on equity tells us how good the company is at generating profits from shareholders' equity. Ang target ko sa ROE ay minimum 15%. Meralco has consistently achieved high return on equity, way above my minimum target of 15%. Even noong nag-pandemic, mataas pa rin ang return on equity. This tells us that Meralco is very efficient in using its shareholders' equity to generate profits. This is another strong sign of a well-managed and profitable business. Sa financial health, Meralco's balance sheet looks solid, hindi overloaded sa utang. Meron siyang debt-to-equity ratio of 51% with cash of 93.3 billion pesos and mataas ang interest coverage ratio at 70 times. So, hindi problema sa kanila ang pagbabayad ng interest ng mga loans nila. Meralco has sufficient cash and can easily meet its obligations. This is a strong indicator of financial stability. Sa return on invested capital, ang target ko dito is 10% and above. A consistently high ROIC means the company is very good at making profits from the money it invests. Meralco maintained a high ROIC above 10% even noong nagka-pandemic, and record high ang ROIC niya noong 2024 at 20.4%. This indicates that Meralco can continue to perform well and remain profitable, which is a sign of a strong competitive advantage. Coming from a strong 2024, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang magandang performance ng Meralco sa first quarter ng 2025. Meralco generated total revenues of 114.5 billion pesos. 10% increase siya compared to the same period last year. This growth was driven by higher electricity sales and an increase in the transmission charge. Sa earnings, Meralco reported a net income of 10.4 billion pesos, a 9% increase year-on-year. Even stronger was their core net income at 11.2 billion pesos. Tumaas ng 11% versus same period last year. May nagtanong ano daw ang kaibahan ng net income versus core income. Ang net income is the company's total profit after deducting all expenses, including non-recurring or one-time gains or losses. At ito rin ang usually makikita natin sa income statement ng company. Core income naman is the company's profit from its main business operations after deducting regular expenses. Non-recurring items are excluded. It's not part of income or expense. Napag-usapan naman natin ang dividend history ng Meralco. This is Meralco's semi-annual dividend payout history. Ang payout schedule ay April and September. Consistently growing ang cash dividend per share. At ngayong April 2025 ang pinakamataas na naibigay nila so far. May mga special cash dividends din na naibigay noong 2018 to 2020. Ito naman ang annual cash dividends, including the special dividends na naibigay noong 2018 to 2020. Over the past 6 years, the annual dividend amount grew at a compound annual growth rate of 8.2%. And then from 2023 to 2024, malaki ang increase, 10%. This shows that Meralco is committed to rewarding its shareholders even during challenging times tulad ng pandemic. At the current price of 565 pesos, Meralco's dividend yield is 4.2%. Not as high as the other dividend stocks kasi tumaas na ang share price ng Meralco. However, the dividends continue to grow, so sulit pa rin. This highlights some of the projects they've been working on to ensure reliable and sufficient power for their growing customer base. Ito naman ang update ng Meralco sa large solar power project nila. Mterra Solar's first phase is progressing as planned and is expected to be operational by early 2026. They have already acquired all the land needed for the first phase of the project and are making good progress on acquiring land for the second phase and setting up the power lines to distribute the electricity. This highlights Meralco's commitment to expanding its renewable energy portfolio. Through M Green, they've recently launched three new solar power plants in Nueva Ecija, Isabela, and Baras Rizal, adding a significant amount of clean energy capacity to their operations. Meralco's earnings growth in the coming years is expected to be supported by its strategic expansion into power generation. Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan has set an ambitious target of at least 50 billion pesos in net income for 2025, up from 45 billion pesos in 2024. Now the question is, since mataas na ang share price ng Meralco, pwede pa bang humabol? Kung titignan natin ang PE ratio, Meralco's PE ratio is significantly higher than its peers at 13.6 times earnings. Pero yung higher PE ng Meralco ay pwedeng justifiable naman considering their strong fundamentals and strong growth potential. Usually, investors are willing to pay more for a high-quality stock like Meralco. A PE ratio below 15 times is still considered by some as potentially undervalued. While the PE ratio provides a snapshot of how the market currently values Meralco's earnings, I also calculated ang kanyang intrinsic value using a Philtown-inspired valuation method, taking into account the company's profitability and growth rates. Take note, estimate lang ang intrinsic value kasi wala naman talagang nakakaalam kung ano ang true value ng isang stock. Kaya importante, merong margin of safety para may allowance in case mali yung mga assumptions or mali yung intrinsic value na na-calculate. Ang calculated intrinsic value ko sa Meralco ay 730 pesos at ang aking buy below price with 30% margin of safety ay 511 pesos. Kung mas aggressive ka, pwede mo ring gawing 20% margin of safety. So, ang aggressive buy below price with 20% margin of safety ay 584 pesos. Ang buying strategy ko sa Meralco ay buy on dips. Nag-average up ako, kaya tumaas na ang average price ko. So, may Meralco ka na ba? Pag wala pa, are you planning to buy Meralco? At ano ang buying strategy mo? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section.